Hey folks, for the most part, bright blue skies in the valley today, allowing temperatures to warm up a bit warmer than it's been the past few days. It's 95 right now. McAllen 93 still in Weslaco. Harlingen's 91, 88 at the coast, and the other end of the valley, Rio Grande City checking in at 103 this afternoon. That's the current. Overnight tonight, temperatures will bottom out in the upper 70s, low 80s once again, so about like last night. And then tomorrow, and here we go, back in the mid-upper 90s again. Cooler at the beach, about 89. Winds out of the south-southeast at 10 to 25 miles an hour. You want to warm up a little bit, head to the west. Rio Grande City points westward from there. Will reach at least 100 degrees tomorrow afternoon. Normal high is 95. We're going to be above that the next 3 days. That normal high is still climbing. We'll talk more about that in the next half hour when our normal temperatures peak. But in the meantime, we'll be above that the next 3 days. We won't break any records. Here's a look at cloud cover and rain. There's rain off to the west and the high clouds from that beginning to push this direction. So that's why we're going to end up probably mostly cloudy later tonight. None of that rain's coming this way, but the tops of the clouds will push in. We've seen patchy clouds move over during the course of the daytime today, but for the most part, it's been a mostly sunny and dry day across the region. Overnight tonight will stay clear early, then some high clouds will move in. During the daytime tomorrow, you see a few green blips show up as this animates through. There could be that isolated shower on the sea breeze, but I think we're talking really isolated. 99% of the area probably stays dry tomorrow. Same thing goes for Sunday. There's a green blip or two. Sea breeze tries to come to life again. If it does, it'll be very isolated. It'll pop up, it'll die. There's not much support for it. So again, sunshine should dominate, and Monday looks mostly sunny as well with little to no chance of rain on Monday. So we're going mainly dry over the weekend. So 10%, 5% chance of rain, something like that. And then Monday, I think even that goes away. We should be completely dry across the area by early next week. Bigger picture shows most of Texas in pretty good shape today. We are seeing some showers out in the Big Bend area. Those are kind of going right up the mountains and will stay out there. Stuff just to our west, but the big ridge in the upper atmosphere is in control. A little bit of a weakness in that. Slides through tonight into tomorrow, and that's what helps maybe trigger that isolated shower. Again, there's not a lot to work with. I think it'll be hard-pressed to do much, but wouldn't be surprised if we pick up a brief shower or two. High kind of settles into Texas then on Sunday. Kind of dominates the state's weather as we head through the rest of the weekend and next week. This is the little system that came through here early in the week and has made its way up into, let's say, Arkansas. And by Monday, it's working its way back to the south, and eventually it's going to end up out in the northeastern Gulf of Mexico. So folks on the Gulf Coast of Mexico, the northern Gulf Coast of the Gulf of Mexico, really need to keep an eye on that. There's some potential for a pretty big rainmaker out of that next week, along maybe a week from now. Here's a look at what's going on across Texas right now. It's 104 in Laredo, 94 in Austin, 92 in the Dallas area right now. So hot, yes, but for this time of year, that's about what you expect. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight. Those high clouds roll in later on, a low of 78. Warm and muggy, south to southeast winds about 5 to 15. Then for tomorrow, back to 96, partly cloudy skies, hot and mainly dry. That sea breeze shower kicks off in 1 or 2 locations at most. I think Sunday's mainly dry as well. Monday, mostly sunny. We don't see much in the terms in the way of rainfall next week. Instead, mostly sunny skies. Temperatures warm up a degree or two by the middle part of the week. That's your updated First 1-5 forecast.